In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a screenshot using 3 different methods on your Windows computer. Screenshots are incredibly handy for capturing exactly what's on your screen at any given moment. Whether you're grabbing an image for work, saving a funny meme, or documenting an error message, knowing how to take a screenshot is an essential digital skill. To begin, make sure you're at your desktop or any screen that you need to capture. This is the foundation of the process, as the method you choose to use for taking your screenshot operates from wherever you are on your computer. Now let's dive into our first method, using keyboard shortcuts. The first and quickest method is pressing the Windows plus Shift plus S keys simultaneously. This is a versatile way to take a screenshot using the Snip and Sketch tool, which overlays a dim screen and allows you to select the area you want to capture. You'll notice your screen will dim slightly and your cursor will change. At this point, you can click and drag to select the portion of the screen you wish capture. Once you've selected your area, release the mouse button and your screenshot is automatically copied to your clipboard. From there, you can paste it into a document or image editing software by pressing Ctrl+V. If you prefer something more manual, you can opt for our second method, using the Snipping tool. This is a built-in utility that's simple to use. To access it, click on your Windows search bar, which is typically located at the bottom of your screen, and type Snipping tool. Once the application appears in your results, click it to open. You will be presented with several snip modes, such as freeform, rectangular, window, and full screen. Choose the one that best fits your needs. After selecting your preferred mode, you can create a new snip and the tool will execute the capture for you. It's a great option if you want more control over the area you're capturing straight from an application interface. Lastly, for the third method, you can use another quick keyboard shortcut, pressing Windows plus Ts-C. This method instantly captures the full screen and saves the image as a file. The screenshot will be automatically saved in the Pictures folder under Screenshots. This is an incredibly efficient way to save everything visible on your monitor without needing to manually save the file. And there you have it, 3 simple methods to capture your screen on a Windows computer. Whether you choose a quick key combination or a more controlled application-based approach, taking screenshots will now be straightforward and efficient. Practice these techniques a few times, and soon you'll be a pro at capturing any part of your digital world. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful.